Hey guys, I'm back with my very first Cricut project. I will be doing my very first project. Now, if you didn't see my unboxing video, go back, watch that so you can see where exactly I got this free first project. Super excited. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so first things first, it says we need to plug it in and power on your press. Set the temperature to 290, set the timer for 30 seconds. When it's ready to go, you'll hear a beep. Okay, so I have it plugged in. Let's go ahead and press the power button. Okay, so now we need to set it to 290 and then press the button again so it knows we go there. And then the timer's already on 30 seconds. So now we just gotta wait for it to beep. All right, get prepped. Find your surface. If it's firm and flat, you're golden. Make sure to avoid flimsy padded ironing boards. To protect your surface, use the Cricut Easy Press mat, sold separately, or a fluffy folded bath towel. All right, so I did buy the mat. And mine is a 12 by 10 easy press. So I have the 12 by 12 mat preheat base material. Okay, so once this is ready, it's not just yet. Once it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and place the press over the bag, pressing for 5 seconds to remove any wrinkles or moisture. Never skip this step. Trust us, it's important. And position and press. Okay, so it is officially ready. Alrighty, so let's go and see. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like right there. There's a huge wrinkle right here, so hopefully the press will take it out. Alrighty, so go ahead and press this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put this back. Still kind of wrinkled, but okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and position it where I want it, which is right there. Okay, that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and press the green button. And then it starts to count down. Then you're supposed to press down firmly. Alrighty, says it's done. So next, let's see what it says here. Flip the bag over and press the reverse side of the material for an additional 15 seconds. Press both sides. Ensure the designs stick for the long haul. Oh, pressing both sides ensures that it will stick for the long haul. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead now and flip this over. And now go ahead and do 15 seconds, which I'll just wait till it gets down to 15. How exciting. This is like the easy part. Pressing it, I'm gonna say, is the easy part. The hard part, I imagine, is actually using the maker. Oop. Okie dokie. So now we're gonna flip this back over. And the big finish. While the iron-on film still feels warm to the touch, it's a little hot. Test a corner. If the liner does not lift easily, reapply and reheat for a few more seconds. Remove the liner and voila, your new Cricut drawstring bag is ready to go. Okay, let's test it. think it's ready. Wow! Woo! It is done, guys. Check it out. How exciting. I'm so happy that this came with this, because now I did my first little test run and now I know how it works. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. And that's a wrap for this first project. I'm super excited. Definitely a lot easier than I expected. Was a little nervous when I was peeling back the plastic because I wasn't sure if I pressed it good enough, but came out perfect. If you guys also bought the Easy Press and did this, drop a comment below. Let me know how it went your first time. And yeah, stay tuned for more crafting videos. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.